Today, we are here with the American Red Cross, which has stood beside military families for generations. The Red Cross supports our service members, veterans, caregivers, and survivors across the globe. We are grateful for all they do to support and strengthen our military families. As we celebrate this season of hope, I encourage everyone to also take care of yourselves. Your well-being is vital, not just for your families, but for your own future. Your journey matters, your voice matters, and your strength continue to inspire us all. Every package built here today is built with American values. Each represents liberty, love, community, and honor. Each is delivered with heart and love, the foundation of our great nation. May this Christmas bring peace to your homes, safety to those who are deployed, and gratitude in the hearts of every American who thanks you for your service and sacrifice.
The care packages that we're assembling today are part of a proud and enduring tradition. The Red Cross began distributing these packages during World War I and has continued that work ever since. Each year, more than 220,000 active duty and veteran families also receive Red Cross assistance wherever they are, whenever they need it. It's an honor to contribute to that legacy of service today. As we enter the holiday season, may we be reminded of our shared responsibility for our communities, our neighbors, and our nation. And may we continue to lift up those who serve and sacrifice for our country.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.